Ua maikaʻi wale no ka hanana ma kona ano a manaʻo hoʻi I wehe kūpono ia I ka ʻaha kāne o kēia makahiki.
The sense that the ku is missing really is a good metaphor of the men being missing in society.
I nā paha ua ano naloa kula na Kāne mai ke kaia ulu aku ma ke kahi ano ua ahu wale no hoʻi ka iʻinia me ka imi maoli I ka hoʻi kaika ana mai a ke kahu ia nei no ma keia hui ano o lākou.
Here's a place where we can come to be Hawaiian men and we can exchange with other Hawaiian men in order to really establish a place for ourselves in contemporary Hawaiian society.
Mai ke oli a hula ai ka haa kuʻi ai, ke hoʻoi kaika ia nei no ka ike kuʻuna Hawaii o keia mau Kāne.
We can achieve well-being as well as good health by looking to our cultural heritage.
Ke kūkā nei, komo nei na hoʻokūkū, a peia pū kana nea I ka hoʻokani pila.
I think it's important too that we take that back into our families and into our communities. It can't be seen as just we want to just get away from everything else and just be in a little boys club.
It's building men and building them to be productive, meaningful partners in their homes and in their communities. And using the Hawaiian culture as the medium to accomplish this.
E launa mai noi ki ia pule no ka ike hou aku no ka ʻaha Kāne. O wau no ke o Amy Kalili no Sunrise ma Hawaii News Now. Aloha.